Today we're going to review Dayan's new flagship cube at only $30 and see how it matches up against large competitors. This cube has adjustable tensions and magnets. And now let's unbox it. So the box comes off quite hard, and here we have the instruction manual explaining how to adjust magnets and tensions. Looks nice. And here we have the cube, but we'll see more on this later. Nice shades though. Here we have the accessory box, and inside we have a CFOP pamphlet, it looks like, with some basic OLL, PLL, and F12 cases, a blue tensioning tool, that looks interesting, and what else? We have some springs. Those are two different types of springs, so we'll see how that works later. A Phillips screwdriver for adjusting the tensions, and a flathead for doing the magnets, because as I've said, they're adjustable, and some more springs. So let's see how this cube performs. Now looking into the cube, we have to undo the plastic, which is always a hard part. Oh, this is hard. Yeah, this plastic wrap is always very hard to get off. And the cube. Oh, nope, more plastic wrap. This is hard. Yeah, I never like doing this. Oh, that's hard. Okay, the cube. Nice frosted plastic. It's quite heavy, actually. The shades are nice and bright. Yeah, wow, that's odd. So it's very fast. The magnets are medium, I would say. It's extremely quiet, and it's sandy, but a good sandy. It's very smooth, but it's very nice. It's a very nice feeling cube. It's corner cutting, reverse, can't really do it right there. A bit back, okay, that does it, no problem. That's easy, no problem. That way, yeah, that's easy. That's fine there. It's pretty fast. I think I'll set it up, make it a bit tighter, maybe adjust the magnets, put it on 1, the strongest setting, because it's pretty loose and the magnets are like medium right now. And I would lube this. This needs a good lubing. So let's see. Okay, so I have adjusted the tensions on this, so it's a bit tighter, and the magnet, so it is on strength 1, the strongest, and I like it this way. It's up to you how you like yours. But so I have adjusted the spring tension, so it's a bit hard to see in the camera, but it is easier to see in real life, so I'll just use this. So as you can see, this big tensioning tool is used to adjust this larger area. So this larger area is the bigger side of the tensioning tool. And so basically you have 4 settings: 0, 0.5, 1.15, 1.1, and 1.5. So the higher, the larger the number, the tighter it is. And then centerpiece travel control, you use your smaller tool and you adjust this small part. So you also have 4 settings: 0.6, 0.8, 1, 1.2. So this doesn't matter that much. This changes the cube a lot more drastically. This isn't that much. So it was set on 0.6, which is the tightest. So it's opposite for the smaller one. And here it is pretty good. I have now adjusted the cube to my liking. I've tightened it, having the inner ring on about 6 and the outer ring of the blue adjusting system on 15, I think. I've lubed the core with weight 5, lubed the pieces with weight 5. I have the magnets on 1, the strongest setting. And it's a great performing cube now. It's extremely smooth, fast, but still controllable due to the strong magnets. And it's overall just a great cube, and I would recommend it for the price of only $30 for advanced to intermediate cubers. Yeah, and it's just a great cube. So I have links down below if you would like to check this out. You can either buy it off of Amazon, or I have SpeedCubeShop links. It's just a great cube. So if you would mind, subscribe and like, and just enjoy the rest of this average of 5. And until the next video, bye.